Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing StoryBird with you, and what StoryBird is a website that lets readers, writers, and artists curate artwork from illustrations to create visual stories. Students can create their own stories by using the different pictures that the illustrators have provided. They can also read different stories that people from around the world have already created. So what's great about that is I pulled up this part of the website. Students can do different challenges. Um, they have different writing prompt lessons and video tutorials and quizzes that they can do. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of what I have. I have the free version, so as you can see, a lot of it, as you scroll down, you're not going to be able to have access to. So I'm just going to show you what you can do with the free version. Where it says you, this is where I've created a classroom. So I'm going to go to reading first. I've assigned these things to my classroom that I've created for the class. This is, you can use a comic strip. So I shared this little comic strip with my classroom. And as you can see, this is something that a student has made. The summaries, it has on the side the summary, the artist, the author, and then the different categories. All right, so if you go to challenges, I'm going to pick, let me do it, um, leveled reads. Oh, I guess, I'm sorry, we're going to go to my classes. So these are the things that I've shared with my classes. I chose the lower level. Over here you see it gives you a teaching guide and it tells you the different um, standards, which in Missouri we don't have Common Core, we have Missouri Learning Standards, but you get the gist of it. I'm going to show you what the students will be seeing. So if I click the Make a Wish, this is for, I chose the lower level kids because that's typically what I use and who I work with. So this is for children ages 6 and up. So a good way to use this is students will read the story, and in this lesson they're going to recall the sequence of events in chronological order. So the students will read the story, and as you can see, the pictures are really cool. So a student from another class has made this, and then my students would read it. So after they're done, they would list the stories in the order. So I didn't read it, so I'll just pick one. But it'll check it, and it'll tell you if it's correct or not. And if students get it, let's see. Oh, well. So it'll tell them if they get it wrong. Apparently I'm pretty lucky here. So then if they finish that one, so it says, sorry, the challenge is only visible for paid. So as of right now, I can't get to that. But I can assign it to my class. So that's how, and this is pre-reading and pre-writing. Okay. So if students wanted to create their own story, they would. They have a couple things that they can choose from. So there's a picture book, a long form story, a comic, a flash fiction, and poetry. So I'm going to pick picture book. And as you can see, there is all kinds of different um, artworks that you can pick. But today I'm going to type in, so I'm going to put in unicorn and see what I get. So I'm going to start my story off with about a unicorn. So, oh, I like this one. Okay, so here students can choose a picture, and then on the side they have pictures that this same author and illustrator has created. So then you can go in and let's see, I'm going to change the font. This is my favorite font. So then I'm going to erase that. It's not letting me do that. The beautiful unicorn. Okay, so here and then down here, this is my username, so people can see who made it. I'm going to save it. So, so this would be a great way for students to create and make their own stories after they've written them. So I hope that this will help you in your classroom, and thank you.